I love fast women. Jackie join a curse it. Have your cake and eat it. Baby, it's your birthday.
Hi, my loves.
On some other shit, I told him lock in 5 tweet. I hope.
Hey y'all, good morning. I'm on my way to my dentist appointment, so I'm gonna talk to y'all later when I get back. Okay, I just brushed my teeth, and I think it's either I'm gonna get red or black. I feel like I'm gonna do black because it's gonna be too much red on red. My favorite color is not red. So. Okay, y'all, I'm back from my hair appointment. My dentist appointment. I just washed my hair. Sorry, I'm closing my blinds because I was getting out of the shower. I just got out the shower. I just washed my hair. I'm combing it out. And I'm going to go get my hair done. I'm not going to bring y'all because I'm going to give y'all that explanation later. I'll keep y'all updated. Bad lighting. I'll keep y'all updated.
Oh, that's nuts, man. That's nuts, man.
Oh, the queen's back hurt. Okay, hair is dry. Oop. Sorry, chat. Okay, I'll be back when my hair done. Hi, my loves. It's my birthday. It is 12, or maybe it's 1. Yeah, it's 1:37. It's my birthday. Woot woot. I tried on my birthday fit. It's see-through, so I'm gonna have to adjust some things, and I will get to show y'all when it's adjusted. Hey y'all, the queen got her nails done. Yes, she did. Oh, there's Mila. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay. Do y'all like my nails? I don't know if I like them. Like, I'm iffy about them. But she did a real good job. She did. Okay. Okay, y'all. So we have a little bit of gifts to open. Let's open them. I look so crazy. I feel like I should take off my bonnet. So I'm gonna do that. Let's try this middle part. Cause you know how your braids be bulky. That's why I flipped it to the side. Let me first get them. They still a little bulky to me. I don't really like my middle part. But it's okay. Let's try to focus this. I'm gonna turn the lights down a little bit. Okay. So first we got this blowing me. First we got this little cute phone case. Period. I was gonna get another phone case anyway because I need to put my Sony Angel, and it's an eggplant, so I feel like that'd be cute on there. Also, I got these shorts. So. I do have scissors, so I shouldn't be using my nail to break anything. I think my mom got me some jorts. No, these are pants. Oh, these are bell bottoms. Period.
Mushroom?
Yeah.
Where are we going for your birthday?
To a taco place. 2 bell bottoms. And then she said she got me some tights for fall. So we about to see. Yeah, I might go ATV riding tomorrow with my roommates, and if not, by myself. And I don't want to go by myself, so I'm gonna go get my roommates. These are some tights, period. They're nice and stretchy, actually. They feel comfortable. And I think they're navy blue. Oh yeah, period. I love me some tights. Like if you know me, I love me some tights. Like now I need a navy blue Lululemon jacket. I only got 2 shades of black and pink. And we got some black ones. Boom. Period. Well needed. Hello fall. Okay, boom. So those 2 is what I got. Bye. Okay, y'all, Mason about to give me a gift.
Not my gift though.
It's from my mommy.
Not for me yet. My gift never comes yet. I don't know why.
More clothes, y'all.
Who likes clothes for their birthday?
Me.
Well, I don't. I like more stuff. But I'm still thankful for that clothes.
Ooh, oh, it's the pajamas that she was talking about.
Where is my...
Period. I got me some pajama jam. So I'm doing my edges right now. I did my lashes. Sorry I didn't record. Don't be mad at me. It's my birthday. Like. Hi, y'all. Y'all, I know y'all hate me. I'm the worst YouTuber ever. Oh well. I'll get better. We're gonna open some cards that I got. Let's sit back and relax. Which are right here actually. I didn't even show y'all me getting ready. Nothing. Like, it's okay though. A niece brings a little extra happiness to your life and a lot of love into your heart. Okay. Happy 18th birthday, Val, from Uncle Patrick, Auntie Candy, and Isaiah. We love you more than you'll know. Next. Who is this from? I think this is from Auntie Sophia. God's Little Miracles. Oh, damn, it fell. Another dub. I like this. I like this. Okay. Anyway, always deserve a big celebration, rejoicing with you in his gift. Happy birthday to our sweet Maddie. We love you and wish you only the best for you. Best of you. Auntie, Uncle, Grandma, Didi, Shashai, Nine. Now, I know I had another card. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know where it is. Then, y'all, my nails tech, she bought me a Da Vinci bangle. Like, oh, baby, you using my money for the right things. That's what it seems like. You're using my money for the right things. And then she gave me some diamonds for my birthday, y'all. Oh, I love her so much. I need to buy her 6 Birkins in the future. I want to cherish this gift forever. Yeah, she bought me a bangle. I think it's another card, but I don't know where it is, and I'll find it. And period. Bye, y'all. Good night. I will talk to y'all in the morning and give y'all a rundown of my birthday. Y'all, gotta have a chit chat and a rundown of what I did without y'all seeing. Well, I recorded some stuff that I can insert into the vlog, but I'm so sorry. I'm not hearing stuff. I'm so sorry. Let's go check on Mayla. Y'all don't be seeing her for real anymore. Like bad lightning. But I missed y'all. I missed y'all. Okay, I'm gonna end up the vlog here. No, I'm not. Forgot I just said we gotta have a chit chat. Okay, we'll have our chit chat when I get to my dorm. And y'all are gonna see me do some work that's due tonight.
But if you ever feel like days, only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is bigger than Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. But it's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Oh, that's nuts, man. That's nuts, man.
Before y'all said that the toilet needs to be scrubbed, and no, it does not. I promise you it's white.
He touching a million Gucci, doing good, John Gucci. Fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we it feel like a movie. Rock ain't never been a groupie. Still on a hoe, I like my nigga bougie. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. 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 Tell me you'll never. Keep me a Haitian, I love me a soul. When I get round, I'm act like a hoe. When I get round, I'm act like a hoe. He wanna split, I feel like Amber Rose. Make a touch your toes. Hit from the back, I won't move. Nigga, I love when you choke. I'm so conceited. Got a real nigga, don't need no leeches. And I got him where I want him. On his face, now I'm leaving him speechless. So you can call if you need me. Tell me you ain't never ever leaving. When I suck it, I look in your eyes. You better like you mean it.
I'm sliding the look, I want him on the coochie. Sticky, no biggie and juicy. Thinking she drinking, she think it's Lucy. We filming no flicking, no cupid. Twist on her like she fidget, do the coolie. So we take this to the bottom of her back. Ayy, living that shit, no rubber, yeah. Like putting right, coming right back. Ayy, ayy. Ain't even whipping, ain't coming no hoop. The whole eyes don't proud, no truth. She on my top, made a mess, no truth. Tryna earn keep, had a flex on her. Don't even think about the rest, my She ain't on the break, she the best on her. Got my keys.
He's feeding no rape, all his hand on my coochie. He touching a million coochie. Doing good, I'm Gucci. Fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we f***ing, it feel like a movie. Rock ain't never been a groupie. Still on a hoe, I like my nigga bullshit. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.
Oh, that's nuts, man. That's nuts, man.
Okay. I cleaned the mirror, period. My roommate dyed her hair and she's supposed to get bleach to get it off. Okay, y'all, now I'm finna relax and eat my true fruit. I need to turn off this big light because, you know. I am changing my bed sheets. I'm on class too. Look. I'm changing my bed sheets. Okay.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty. Impress me, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty. Impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Damn. How many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love? You know my dad little pimpin' for real. You ever been down to Memphis, Tennessee, my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, jokes, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey, baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty. Impress me, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of you.
Lil' Ray be on some other